Welcome to the future of fix and flip investing. It's no longer just about swinging a hammer or spotting a fixer-upper. Today, technology, specifically artificial intelligence, is revolutionizing the game. Let me show you how to use AI to turn real estate dreams into reality. Step 1, finding the right property. AI-powered platforms like Zillow, Meshvisor, or Deal Machine now use predictive analytics to spot undervalued properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods. These tools analyze historical data, rental trends, and even local demographics. Step 2, planning your renovation. Before you pick up a hammer, apps like Planner 5D or House Pro can help you visualize the final product. AI can even recommend the best design trends for your market. Step 3, timing your market. AI tools like House Canary can predict the best times to buy and sell in your market. They analyze local trends, interest rates, and inventory levels to give you an edge. Step 4, reducing risk. Fix and flip isn't without its challenges, but AI tools like SmartZip can assess risks. They'll flag potential issues like zoning complications, over-renovating, or market saturation. Step 5, marketing the flip. Use AI platforms like AdZuma or Jasper to run hyper-targeted campaigns. These tools analyze buyer behavior to craft ads that sell. Let's take an example. Investor John Doe used AI to scout a property in a growing suburb. He planned his renovation with Planner 5D, timed his sale using House Canary, and marketed his property through Jasper. Result? He sold his flip 30% faster and earned 20% more profit compared to traditional methods. So where do you start? 1. Sign up for tools like Meshvisor or Deal Machine. 2. Experiment with AI design platforms for your renovations. 3. Stay ahead of market trends with predictive analytics. Remember, in this game, knowledge is profit, and now AI can be your secret weapon.